Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing due. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost, fast and free shipping. Get this in no time. Thank you guys for watching. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. Here we go. The month is almost over. It is flying by this year. I have like 5 months left of it, and this year is over. Now this is coming from the world. What is this? Oh, for home kitchen, natural gas detector. All right. So let's check them out, guys. Link will be down below. We're gonna test this thing out and see how it works. It's always good to have a protection like this in your home, just in case. You never know. I'd rather be 5 seconds ahead than 5 seconds behind, especially in this situation, because you can't really detect it. Maybe if you got that good sense of smell, but my smell has been long gone. Can't really smell too much things. Got the manual. Got this nice looking device right here. Boom, Prague. That's who's company is called Prague, or maybe it's called the Prague, I don't know, but once you click on the link you guys will find out. Remove that. Boom. So simple. Plug in. We're gonna go in the kitchen because it says it's for kitchen, so I might as well. It detects carbon monoxide plus gas combined alarm, gas sensor, CO2, carbon monoxide, CO sensor. Sensor needs to be warmed up when using it so that chemical reaction could be taking place when gas presents. Well, alright, let's try this out. I'm going to hop over YouTube Magic right about now. Alright guys, that's what it looks like when it starts up. Let's see what it does. So it takes about 3 minutes to warm up, so we'll give it. See, it's warming up. Alright guys, so there it is. It should be about 2 minutes in, so another minute or less this thing will be warmed up. It's pretty cool. Flashes blue. So another maybe 40 seconds or less. Well, that's natural. Do that simultaneously. It'll say that warming up, so that means it's working. So that's a good thing. It's almost there. Should be done in about 10 more seconds. I got using my timer on the camera, so should be done any second. See, it's slowing down the flash, so come on. My hand's getting tired. It's about 3 minutes right about now. There we go. Oh boy, here we go. It's about to do something. Come on. It probably warned us with a beep if there's like gas in the house or something like that, so I think we're in the clear. It's just gonna flash, so give it another 30 seconds or so. Alright, this should be done. Give it another minute, just in case it needs to be primed up. Get used to the surroundings. So, it's working now, so it stopped saying warming up, so she is working. I think it would go off alarm. I would say probably gas detected if there's gas problems in the house. But I don't think there is any right now, so should be good to go.
Suspected gas leak. Please check it. Suspected gas leak. Please check it. Suspected gas leak.
Uh-oh.